Seriously, man, I don't know what the hell Ducati was thinking. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm good. Beautiful, wonderful ride.
हमारे एरिया में जो है ना सब हम बंद कर दिए।
चलो पुलिस के पास. So this right here is a strange concoction. This is not a super bike. It's not a cruiser. It's unlike any motorcycle you've ever seen or ridden. I don't know what the hell Ducati was thinking when they came up with this. But man, this is one hell of an incredible machine. This is the Ducati 1260S and I've been riding it today and it's blowing my mind. So I'm going to take you through the aspects of the bike that I think really pop and are so unique to this motorcycle alone. Let's start with the fact that this is one of the largest and longest tanks you'll ever see on a motorcycle. This houses 17 liters of fuel, but just look at how beautifully it's made. And it takes up so much space. This is me standing here and see how long the tank is. Literally 2 red slashes coming out the rear, which serve as tail lamps. How cool is that? It's not like those, those clunky lights that most bikes have. Again, if you want good sound, you're going to have to see this dangling mic. Very, very interesting front this bike has. You have literally like 2 blades coming out the front, which serve as hazards at this point or indicators. Like, again, you see the front of the bike and you're just like, what the hell is going on? This looks like a freaking superhero itself. You don't need a superhero to ride it.
These look like Batman, and then these katana blades look like Thanos's horns. Ducati has done a crossover.
Good observation. You want to ride it?
Sure, thanks.
You can't, because this bike...
Such a heartbreak, huh?
Because this bike is not meant for beginners. If you're a beginner, please do not ride the Diavel. It is not meant to be ridden by you. That is meant for you. See?
Bye bye.
So I have a reason for saying what I'm saying. It's because there's 2-3 factors. A, it's a heavy bike, 245 kgs like I said. The reach to the handlebars is quite far, so it takes a little bit of getting used to. It's got a heavy clutch. It's not an ideal bike for beginners for sure. You can, if you're riding a 200 or a 250cc, then you can make your way up and ride the bigger bikes. This is the right side of the bike. You look at it closely, you will see this really clean structure going on throughout. And then you come to the left side of the bike, and that's where you see all the cables and all the stuff that maybe you didn't want to see. This is a 1262cc motorcycle from Ducati. It's about 244 kgs, which is only 100 kgs less than the R18 that I rode about 2 weeks ago, sorry. So I'm finding it quite easy and maneuverable, and I'm having quite a fun time with it. It's got a nice, neat, small color TFT. Now let's check the modes out. So there's urban, there's touring, and there's sport. How cool are these lovely red illuminated buttons on this part of the bike, right? I'm gonna have Harsh here sit behind me because there's some problem with our GoPro mount and it's not fitting onto the handlebar. This is one of the fastest 0 to 100 accelerating motorcycles. You okay?
I'm good.
No, are you okay?
Yes, I'm good. Beautiful, wonderful ride.
Yeah, so this is what happens when the GoPro mounts refuse to like, these are fat handlebars and all, so they're like, sorry, nahi, we can't do this. So then we have awesome people like Harsh that jump aboard who say, I will, main karunga. That was crazy fun, man, I loved it. Every time I put a video out, you guys ask me what my height is, so I'm going to say it again in this video. I'm 5'5.5", and a motorcycle like this, I can manage it. Why can I manage it? Because it's got a really friendly seat height. Look at me, man. I'm like no tiptoe scenes whatsoever. I'm flat footing, I'm chill. I can stop the bike when I need to. I can turn the bike when I need to. The suspension on this motorcycle is great. Of course, it's got an Öhlins suspension in the front and the back. But you've got to be careful on bumps, in potholes, because you don't want to break a rim. It's going to cost you a lot of money. This definitely has an arrangement for a pillion as well. Everything these guys do is beautiful, yeah. Okay, I'm going to show you. Look at that. Bola! Arey, hold on to the grab rail, I took it out for you. Yeah, I just wanted you to experience that. I'm not taking you for a ride. Chal. क्या हो गया भैया? क्यों चला रहे हो?
हमारा जो एरिया में है ना, हम
क्यों?
सबको बंद कर
इंडिया है ये. मेरे को भी पता है हमारा अधिकार कहाँ है और कहाँ नहीं है.
घूमने के लिए आते हैं सब.
पर आप बोल नहीं सकते ना अंकल. आपका गांव है पर देश तो हमारा है ना ये. पर पुलिस ने बोला है हाँ चलो चलो पुलिस के पास.
हमारे एरिया में जो है ना, सब हम बंद कर दिए.
मुलीला हे सांगितलेलं चांगलं वाटतं का? इथं रेप झालेला मग मुलीला कसं वाटतं? म्हणजे घाबरलेलं वाटतं ना. तू म्हणू शकता मॅडम तुम्ही इथं संपा लवकर आणि मग हे म्हणजे थोडं सेफ नाही, हे आमची काळजी आहे तुमच्या प्रती.
अभी तुम्हारा हो गया ना सब.
अरे सर
बस
पर मेरे
करो.
को देखो. So it has taken me only about 2.5 hours to get from outside Bombay to inside Bombay. Really great ride all through the day except in the city, because this is when I hate riding Ducatis in the city. They don't like the city, they don't like Indian cities per se because of our traffic scene. But yeah, that's pretty much what I have to say about the end of the ride. Do you see the difference between the Diavel tire and all the other motorcycles that are standing right next to it? Do share this video with your friends, like it, subscribe, all of that. Kar lo. I want to go and eat some khana now, so